Friends, Mars Perseverance Sol 1519 left navigation camera NavCam, must camera MustCam, and hazard avoidance camera HazCam. NASA's Mars Perseverance rover acquired most of these images using its MustCam, HazCam, and NavCam. These cameras are located high on the rover's mast and aids in driving. Perseverance rover acquired these images on 29th May 2025, the 1519th Martin Day, or soul of the Perseverance rover mission on Mars. All these image credits NASA, JPL Caltech ASU. A key objective for Perseverance mission on Mars is astrobiology, including the search for signs of ancient microbial life. The rover will characterize the planet's geology and past climate, pave the way for human exploration of the red planet, and be the first mission to collect and cache Martian rock sample. Subsequent NASA mission, in cooperation with ESA, would send spacecraft to Mars to collect these sealed samples from the surface and return them to Earth for in-depth analysis. The Mars 2020 Perseverance mission is part of NASA's Moon to Mars exploration approach, which includes Artemis mission to the Moon that will help prepare for human exploration of the red planet. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, which is managed for the agency by Caltech in Pasadena, California, built and manages operation of the Mars Perseverance rover. Mars Perseverance rover is a key part of Mars 2020 mission exploring the Zero crater on Mars. Its primary goals are to search for signs of past microbial life, characterize the planet's geology and past climate, and collect and cache Martian rock sample for future return to Earth mission. The rover also carries the Ingenuity helicopter, which has successfully flown on the another planet. Zero crater, a site believed to have once held a lake and river system, making it a prime location to search for signs of past microbial life. Perseverance mission launched on 30th July 2020 and landed on the Martian surface on 18th February 2021. NASA's Mars Perseverance rover has been active on Mars for over 1529 sols. Let me tell you again that all these image credits NASA, JPL, Caltech, ASU, and Perseverance rover acquired most of these images on 29th May 2025, the 1519th Martin Day, or soul of the Perseverance rover mission on Mars.